Welcome to the humor stream. It's the third stream.
Today,
no,
we actually did a couple of private ones just for each other,
for us and the family, you know. Thanksgiving and all that. You don't want to miss it. You don't
they could just be there.
No.
So
have some regulars nowadays. Stitchy.
Hey Stitchy. Hey Armand.
And Nick Laser is an old-time regular.
Yeah, she's an elite.
So she's like so much better than you guys.
Yeah, you have some years to work up, you guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, today I'm gonna draw eyes because that's the window to this. Excuse me?
I'm gonna retweet your tweet.
Okay, but what did you say before that?
Today.
Today, okay.
I'm gonna retweet your tweet.
I thought you said so gay.
What?
Yeah, we should just skip the eyes, right?
When you're homophobic.
Hey, the Atlas Theory. You were able to catch us.
Damn it! He's not even pleased. He's like, God damn it!
Always before my chemistry period. That's horrible. I'm sorry for you, buddy.
Oh.
Chemistry isn't that cool. If you're not
it's the chemistry in your body that causes your period. So.
Excuse me, that's disgusting.
Oh, maybe I got that wrong.
Stop smiling!
How can you hear that I'm smiling? Maybe no.
It's obvious. It's disgusting. What's...
I'm just listening to period.
Gotta mix.
Hey Matt, what are you listening to?
You're some periods. Excuse me?
You know.
No, I don't know.
It's kind of quiet, and I like it. It's like listening to the ocean, but better in
chemistry. Why do you guys have to be so good? Haha.
At being so bad. Don't answer that.
Did he say that?
He's about to say, at being so bad.
Wow, you're such a bully.
I know that from high school.
I know I've said it to you a couple of times as well.
That and never shower with the big boys.
I never learned that lesson.
No. Turn out to be great.
I have an art history exam tomorrow. Do you have any good art facts you'd like to share? Yeah, did you know that Christopher Columbus explored America?
We always thought that he exploded America. What the fuck?
But actually...
He explored it.
Who would have known? It's not even close in Swedish. So how did we even get it wrong?
Oh, but my school did some cutbacks and they like combined English and history class. So.
Okay. Well, we still have my mystery to solve.
Hello, Nina Mayen.
Ninamia.
Ninamia.
Welcome to the stream. I hope you have a good day.
How do you like prosciutto? Do you think that's a nice dish? Prosciutto.
I think it's a racial slur.
Prosciutto.
Don't say it.
I think that is a pizza or a sausage or I don't remember.
Yeah, it was until Hitler took it.
Oh, Hitler and his band of thieves.
Great fact, 10 out of 10. I'm sure I will get an A on the exam.
Good luck, everybody.
Don't forget to smile. Because you're on candid camera.
No.
You forgot to record? God damn it.
Look at all these tapes and all those empty cameras.
So you didn't just forget the press? Oh man.
Forgot the tapes.
Well, you did take the tapes with you. You just left them on the ground.
This felt like I was holding a tiny baby.
Too heavy.
Kind of feel like I ruined this one, boss.
Yeah, well, you're not the first one.
Well, if I throw all these tapes on him,
No.
that would be kind of fun. Ah! Oh yeah.
It's sexual harassment.
Oh yeah. I didn't aim for that.
But you did hit it. You just threw all the tape on a stick.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
You're double fired.
We had no cameras to record it, so guess that's not gonna hold up in court. Guess I'm free to walk. Bye bye.
You're not free to walk.
It's your word against mine. My father is rich. Bye bye.
Oh shit. Hey guys, how long has the stream been going for? Maybe 5 minutes? 10 minutes?
5 of the minutes.
5 minutes.
It's a minimal of 5 minutes, I think.
Min. Oh, we haven't even started streaming. Just kidding. Gotcha good. April Fools.
Fool's tape.
Fool's Day. So yeah, if you're wondering how I'm doing this.
What if someone... Okay, you go first.
I'm using a pencil. So, your turn?
Okay. What if someone confuses April 1st, April Fools, with ape real fools? So he's like fooling people that the ape isn't real, but it is a real ape, and then it goes bananas.
Or it's just a show reel, but with apes doing funny goofs.
Oh, that would be fun as well. Guess we'll have a fun off. Standoff, but with fun.
Yeah, a stand-up
Comedy show.
Ding 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 ding. Get in line.
All the apes from your nearby zoos.
And Jim Carrey.
He's the host. He's such a great guy. He can hold the microphone and talk at the same time.
I actually saw a documentary where
he couldn't do that. Okay, yeah, I know.
So I don't think you're talking the true language.
I'm talking the lying language.
Also,
I'm
hello.
Spitting lies. I'm spitting toxic lies all over.
Disgust.
Yes, ing as well.
That's the feeling I'm getting. But yeah, hello Alice there, Bobson. I think you're starting to be a reg, right?
Hello, Elster Thompson.
An old
I think
reg.
you're a regular here in our...
You're gonna go far, kid.
Oh, shit. In our erotic paper store. It's regular paper, but with erotic watermarks all over.
Or it's just origami shaped like dicks.
No.
Okay.
You can do that crazy stuff.
I didn't know that you already had started it. I just
No, we use my father's old watermarker, and we mark with promiscuous ladies and men doing the hokey pokey.
Whew. Are they sweaty though?
No, you can't see that. It's a watermark.
Okay.
You can see it if you hold it up towards the light. You see that?
So the sweat is on the other side?
Yes, if you slowly turn, they will interact with each other.
I get it. Ooh.
Like one of those 3D things, you know?
Yeah, I get it. But I don't think I want one of these, old man. It's kind of creepy, you know.
Hello!
Hey.
I'm his son.
Oh,
You need to buy this because his pension is fucking horrible.
how old
you
are
need
you?
Well, I'm 26, of course. Can't you see that on my shirt? 26
Oh yeah.
and going.
It says sweet 26.
And 26 and going. You see that?
Yeah, that's the on the
Back, yeah. You like my back?
I no.
No, me neither. And I need to fix it. And my father's pension isn't enough. So you need to buy this. Buy these erotic pieces of paper.
Well, could you recommend one for me?
Yes, this one is my father and my mother.
Oh,
Who
disgusting. Why did you recommend this to me? And scene.
Oh well, oh well, oh well. You're one of those prudes. I guess I'm gonna recommend this one. It's my father fishing in the nude. You prude.
Last episode of American Horror Story this week. Are you hyped? I have never been this hyped before. But
Meh. Meh.
what the fuck, Walter?
Me and my sister watched the episode in separate rooms, and then it's at separate times actually. But then when we spoke about it, we both went. Meh.
The last episode?
Yeah, we went.
I actually really liked it.
I thought. Okay, I don't want to spoil anything, but a scene, one scene was I like that one. But just I'm not that hyped for the last one, but I'm gonna watch it. I want some cool event to unfold. I mean,
It feels like it is.
but it feels like it needs like 3 episodes to be cool.
Okay.
We'll see what
Well, American Horror Story is known to have like goosebumps endings.
Ooh, what if? Zooms in on a flower that starts living and becoming a zombie. Oh my god! That's goosebumps for you. Everything was fine except for the flower.
What? The chat isn't working? What the hell?
What? Oh yeah. Oh. Didn't notice that. It's clean as a whistle.
What? What's... I haven't changed anything.
Is game development coming to PC soon? Oh, he's making a joke about Thunder Universe playing game development.
Well, screw you.
That's Twitch fault. God damn it.
I'm just gonna see if the plugin is down.
Oh, that
If
could
I
be.
can do anything
Oh,
about
it's
it.
up now.
But it just says
Yeah.
loading emotes and badges. It hasn't
Okay.
connected to the chat.
I'm trying. I'm gonna write something and see what's happening. Oh. Oh.
No, doesn't seem like it. I just checked the forums. Community forums! Hello.
Hello, people in the stream. What's happening? It's okay. You can write, even though it doesn't appear on the stream because, you know.
Yeah, but what's the fun in that?
No
Right?
fun at that. No fun at all at that.
Good.
I mean, everyone would be Strake robot. Everyone would be someone called a robot.
I just checked the Twitter. What the fuck? Oh yeah.
Check the Twitter.
No, actually not.
How will that solve anything?
Because people are saying, no, it doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work. I am Twitter. This will fix things. They're true.
I'm watching Axel's beautiful face. It's so hot. Yeah, I get that a lot, actually. A lot from women, men, animals. Can you...
Situations where people just align, forming the letters. Axel's.
Yeah. Nice
It's funny.
chat, no worky. Okay, what? Just one.
Maybe press F5 multiple times.
Excuse me, idiot. Not
Don't
gonna
you?
work.
Control F5.
No, 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 no.
I'm gonna see our competition on game development today. We have Skink, who's doing Skink sketches,
Sounds disgusting.
and we have
Press F5.
sounds disgusting.
Doesn't work like that, guy.
Press F5.
Okay, I present.
We have Frank loves Unity. It's Tea Time Frank.
Tea Time Frank.
Yeah,
That's a
He's-
good name.
he's fiddling around with Unity. And we have come learn RPG. Come learn RPG design. Ability naming. So you can go to a stream and learn how to name your abilities in RPGs. I'm gonna learn you how to name your abilities. Use your imagination. Ding!
No, you gotta have the perfect variables.
Okay.
Right? Right? The global variables. The correct global variables.
I'm gonna watch this stream actually.
Wait.
I'm gonna watch it to see how well how am I supposed to learn this.
I think the plugin might be down. I haven't seen anybody say it, but I sure as hell haven't changed anything.
Fuck.
Yeah, I mean...
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and watch this RPG stream instead.
Instead of...
Okay, so he's using a website to see synonyms for like lie to make up these abilities. So a lying ability would be called deceit, deception, dishonesty, disinformation, or something like this.
Yeah.
Tall story.
I don't know what you're talking about, buddy. Cause you said no, you got so peaceful tonight.
Okay, so this is how you name your abilities. You go to a website and look for synonyms for words. So, so like if you have an ability for lightning, it's supposed to be called like electronic ability or something.
Yeah,
Maybe
can't
that
have it
one.
called what you were initially thinking.
No, that would be unoriginal.
Okay, guys, just raid his stream, guys.
No,
Yes, kidding.
he's probably a nice guy.
Yeah, but he should come to us for naming.
Yeah. Okay. So a lightning ability.
Eyebrows, pupils, this guy that I'm drawing.
That's not very creative. You're just saying what you're seeing.
No, I'm not. My microphone display. Oh shit! I need a
I wanna
website.
punch your eye.
Please no.
Punch your eye socket.
No, I get it. I just don't want it.
Okay, bye. He's so disappointed that you can't get the chat to work. He said press F5.
No,
Press F4
I think he said okay bye because he's off raiding that guys.
Please don't.
The adventure for the perfect pupil. Are you from Sweden? Yeah, I am. Who's asking? What the?
What the fuck are you talking about? I'm trying to read my important messages I get on Skype each and every day.
Okay, let's read it out loud.
It's about business and you have no idea how much money I'm getting from this business.
Shit.
And this is like secretly amount of money.
That's a lot.
Oh shit, he's sending me a squirrel emoticon, so that's a good thing, I think.
Disgusting.
That raid was crazy. Okay. So we're the bad guys on Twitch now.
Lassiful asks, how much do you love animating on once, Axel Meister? And the answer is no, never. Never once. Well, mouth is okay on once. Otherwise, never mouth. I don't wanna.
Never mouth.
And never once.
You're just avoiding mouth. It's okay, actually.
Yeah. You don't need to animate on once. Animating on once does not make you a better animator. It just makes it go much.
Hey, it's all about timing.
It's all about timing and weight and knowing how to make the pose. Not how many drawings you animate per second. You idiot.
Well, it's making it smooth, but if you don't have the poses right, it's gonna be smooth and ugly. Mm-hmm. So I guess the best animator would be someone that really knows the posing and such, and is good at doing ones.
So when you see an animation that feels like it's floating, but it's super smooth, then you can laugh to yourself and think, that guy is wasting his time.
Yeah.
No, but guys, learn how to animate before
doing a bunch of frames.
Yeah, doing it.
Bunch of frames.
Oh wait, don't steal that.
No, but yeah, timing and such is much more important than frames.
Boo, boo. As long as it's smooth enough that it doesn't make people feel sick.
Yeah. Some people use crazy. I was about to say a crazy amount of frames, but I mean a crazy amount of not frames. Minimal amount of frames, and there's still
there's this
stuff.
This awkward state between very few frames, so it feels kind of stop motion, or just poses.
Hey, what do you mean stop motion? Some stop motion is really smooth.
Yeah, that's not really what I meant. What I meant was going from pose to pose, just keyframes.
Oh yeah.
But then there's this awkward middle state where it's not only keyframes, but there's some in-betweens, and then it just feels stuttery.
Yeah.
So I'm totally up for just animating keyframes is a great way to learn timing and weight and all that.
Yeah.
So I'd say just go with keyframes other than animating on once to get a feel for it.
I think this one is a great example of few frames and good timing. I'm gonna link it. You could play it on the stream.
I
don't know if I'll link the right one.
Slow Ruben has taken.
Slow Poper have taken, yeah, the Dova bear, if you guys have seen that. It's great. Like, this guy is really good
at timing.
Yeah.
And
the
movement.
poses, especially, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Bows.
I haven't seen his recent stuff. Oh, look at that. That is nice.
That's nice.
Oh, the reward is a great example as well. Yeah.
Does that one have very few frames?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a very good example then. You didn't even notice. It's like very few frames.
Yeah, I need to see that again. They are making a series now.
Oh, fuck them.
I think they kickstarted or something.
Yeah.
God bless her.
I want to see that series.
Yeah, I want to see it 2 times.
Oh, that's...
What's that?
You have the bad memory.
Yeah, I do.
The bad memory.
I don't remember a sheesh. You shouldn't use frames at all. Well... Yeah, let's just draw an image.
Well, it all comes down to what you like to do and doing it. So, like, if you don't like doing a bunch of frames, then don't do it. Try to do something you enjoy doing.
This is not a statement for bunch of frames for.
Bunch of frames.
Today there was an accident on the rail, so everything was all panicky and stuff at the train station. So I asked a conductor, just walking around being like just a guy you could talk to, and I asked him, hey, how do I get here, because that's where I live. And he just he took his hand and put it on my shoulder, and then he said the train track, and then he said run. Because it was 2 minutes until the train departed. So he just said 4A run. I thought it was a nice touch. I also got in my mail today, I got an OCD newspaper.
Nice.
And I have no idea why I got that. On the
Well, that's on me.
Oh, okay. You think I have OCD?
Yeah.
You actually did talk about it not too far.
Oh yeah.
But the weird part was that there was someone.
You started to like organize the paper.
Yeah. No, but there was another guy's name on the what is it called? The white paper you have the actual mail in.
Okay, yeah, I don't subscribe to racist papers, so I don't know what the white papers.
I'll look it up
get.
for you.
Yeah.
Envelope, right?
Newsflash:
So
Axel is a raging racist.
So the white power envelope, it said there was another guy's name on it, and then someone had just scribbled over it my last name. So
he really wanted you to get it.
Yeah, I guess it was part of his OCD.
Yeah. Axel.
Needs their favorites. And also, as a little bonus, there's a naked lady on it. Hubba hubba.
The fuck?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be inappropriate. I just thought you guys might enjoy it.
That's a great business idea. OCD, like
I have
OCD
to keep. I have to keep subscribing to this.
Yeah. OCD. Oh yeah. Yeah. I gotta read it. Gotta read it all. Oh, so Ash has an OCD. Gotta catch them all. Oh.
I don't get it.
You don't get it. You OCD D-bag. Oh, OCD bag. Oh, yeah. Don't you like my jokes? That must be because of your OCD. You can't organize my amazing comedy timing in your head.
I just can't.
God damn it! And I've written a complete OCD stand-up routine.
It needs some work.
It's not gonna fly.
Strike Robot says, but I use like between 3s and 5s when I animate, and anything everyone ever does is complain that I don't animate on 2s. Well, as I said, like if you're learning how to do poses and timing and how weight works, then I think you're doing the right thing. But if you're animating on a large television series and your director tells you that we need 2s, and you just flat out don't do it, then I think you're not doing the right thing.
Hey,
Opinions, Walt?
he's. You need to break your boss's balls. What's up with that? You didn't say that. You know.
I think you did.
Okay, but I'm not gonna say it again.
We'll see.
Don't want to get in trouble with the boss.
Boss is here, Walter. He wants to speak to you.
Well.
Well. And then you're just out of the door.
Today.
Baby.
Oh, avocado pizza! What's up in the hissa?
Hello. How's it going? If you know what it means.
We're talking about his raging abs.
Absolutely.
Like we always say.
And then we just pull up our shirts.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, this track is amazing. Adhesive wombat and abs. No, he doesn't have abs. Does George have abs?
George, I don't know. I haven't asked him. We'll do it next time.
Yeah.
We're talking about abs.
Ask him while slithering with your tongue. Good. Don't do it now though, you're gonna slither it all out.
I'm gonna go abs or crabs. He's gonna go, what? And I'm gonna do you have either of them? Because I'm all about sad.
Because I want both.
Especially...
Don't say it.
abs or crabs. I'm not gonna say it. Boom, chicka, boom, 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 chicka, boom, 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 boom.
You're not even in sync with the motion picture soundtrack. Scuba ba doobity boo.
Skibidi babbidi boom boom.
Well, he's the one, but yeah.
Favy official.
Welcome. Have you had a good day? Did your math work out?
I think it's been here for a while.
No, I don't think so. Or maybe.
Well, he said good evening to Avocado.
Oh
so,
shit.
So we kind of missed him, I think.
What the
Hex.
Disco.
That's my favorite tone.
The favorite. Oh, it's
Amazing, right?
I remember animating Dishonored.
I know how to whistle out of pitch. That's my
Your
thing
party
nowadays.
Yeah, well, you can do it once per stream.
I actually made my grandma's dog kind of crazy with that. He went woo, woo, and I went.
Kind of sound like Mickey Mouse.
Yippee, yippee, yippee.
Well, not anymore.
Okay, I'm gonna try to fix that.
Yeah.
Because I know how to sound like Mickey Mouse. Believe me, I know.
Well,
what?
tell me more. Was it good and that stuff?
Yeah, it was fucking good.
Tell me more. Did she kiss you on the hip?
She did avoid that.
She almost did though?
No. Kind of.
Bad story.
She kind of sprinted away. I guess that's a good thing. I mean,
Well, I don't think so.
at least she's honest. She's completely honest. I think that was a good thing.
It will work
Got
out.
me thinking about life and how I should end it.
Ooh.
No, not today. I mean, I can become a CEO
Well.
someday. Become successful.
Well.
Eat a big pizza at least.
Nah.
Or not. Big casserole, something.
Ain't happening.
Okay. Something big is gonna happen to my life and I'm gonna enjoy it.
We'll see.
We'll see. Oh, pom 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 pom.
Scoop up.
It's all about perspective, Axel. You need to know when to become a CEO over a big company.
Maybe now?
You need to wait, Axel.
How about new?
You're a stuck-up loser. Now is not the time. You need to...
You're a stuck-up loser. Skibidi-bap-bap-a-doo.
Skibidi-bap-bap-boo-boo-boo-boo.
There was this girl sitting next to me today.
Oh,
she was eating-
another girl story next to me,
Yeah,
and
she
I
started-
started winking with my left eye, and she started blinking with both eyes. I know how this story goes. She leaves, and goes home. You follow for a while. She starts running, and you go, "Oh, apparently I didn't get it." And then you go home.
Get it.
And then you go home again, read another book about girls and how you're supposed to approach girls. And then you
Don't
go
take
to
in
me.
anything.
And then you start a stream. And then we're here and you start telling the story.
Yeah, I met this super hot babe.
It's a vicious cycle.
And I always tell the whole story.
I know the story 207 times because you make me write it down. Okay, I want to hear the real story now.
Okay, so she was eating chocolate, and she kept getting chocolate on her fingers, so she kept like cleaning them with her mouth, and she was making these like pop noises, and was super annoying, like who the fuck does that outside of cartoons? It wasn't that emphasized, but it was enough to make me mad. Really raging mad.
So you're mad when you watch cartoons. Why do they accept all these emotions? God damn it! It's like it's for kids or something.
No, but I guess since I kind of feel that munching noises are disgusting, like that's just how I just cringe whenever I hear it. And, go, and I think that has something to do with it.
Oh, I'm a predator.
No, I'm a predator. I can see some harmless animal like a lamb or something finding a sword or something. Now I'm a predator.
I'm gonna wreak havoc on these lands.
I will be feared.
They will call me sheep skank.
The eyebrows are like two little hands high-fiving each other.
Wow.
It's really amazing how the human body works. Right?
When you get older,
You get more high fives. That's fair.
That's fair.
Oh, fuck you!
That's my best impression of you talking.
Oh, I never really listened to myself.
Barely.
Oh.
So accurate.
So accurate. Doodaloo. Did you go over there and say, "Excuse me, can you shut the fuck up"?
Oh, I found two files where I was supposed to write bursts, like bursts.
Like shooting a lot?
Yeah, but I wrote birds. Particle birds.
Birds?
Birds. It's like someone trying to say birds, but they failed miserably.
Kind of like that.
Birds.
Oh, burn the
How I
feeling.
like me some birds.
Birds?
Birds.
Hello, bird speaking?
Hello, you reached Bert's phone. Can't speak to you right now because I'm
Don't wanna.
wanna. Mama said not to speak to strangers.
That's fair. Gotta love his almost but not the quite unibrow. Yeah.
What the fuck? Always about the unibrows nowadays.
Do you have a unibrow, Walter?
Should I get one?
Maybe.
Hmm.
I'm not
Please
gonna
don't.
say nay.
You're not gonna say no, nay, never.
No, they never. I'm really getting into Always Sunny.
Oh.
It's a good show. It's a good show.
For people with mother issues,
Excusey?
it's a good show.
No, wait, Excusey?
Scoozy.
Excusey?
Scoozy Manusi?
After you've sneezed. Yeah, that's a good one. Skappa-doopa-dappa-doopa-dappa. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know, a thing or two.
Do the hoochie doo, bada boop, bada doo, bada beep, badoo.
I'm not legally allowed to do the hoochie-boo-doo.
Oh,
Not
again?
after that time.
I remember that time. It was a nice time. You tried to poke at people. It was nice.
I don't see why you thought that was so nice. But I kept going.
Yeah. Because you wanted my... I don't know. Something you wanted from me.
Money?
No, I wouldn't give you money. I just wouldn't! Like my mother said. Axel is not supposed to have your money. He's not supposed to have your love. Not supposed to get some recognition at all, actually. And any chance you get, take his... Just don't get too attached to him. This is a passing phase.
What is a passing phase?
Your friendship with Axel.
Oh shit!
You're just acting out because we said that you're the best kid around and you want to prove us wrong.
No, I'm not. Look at my friend. We're the best kid around at this friend. No.
I'm sorry you had to hear this, Mom. You can go now.
But I want to talk with you.
I'm gonna talk with my worst friend ever.
I just stood right beside you waiting.
You're like,
How?
how he can't even talk. He's only making cute sounds.
You learned me, right?
In a cute way. In a I love that kitten way.
I don't think kittens speak.
No, it's true.
Hello, Killer Mateo. How's it going?
Would be a nice feature though, speaking kittens.
Yeah, I'll add it to this game I'm working on. Hint, hint. Don't crash us, Twitchies.
Speaking kittens.
The game where you can listen to Microsoft Sam
Speak with kittens.
speak with kittens. It's not really a game.
It's more of a challenge.
You played this for this long.
Yes.
There's a melancholy.
Have any of you in the chat found us through Twitch? That would be fun to hear.
And we'd like to hear it, so please record a message and send it to our email.
It's a secret email, so you'll have to earn it.
It's really hard to figure out, guys.
Hello, Killer M2.
already said hi.
Fuck you then.
Excused?
Okay. Scabba-da-da-ba-dee-ba-da-ba-da-doo.
I could speak with Thunder humor course only, I think. That's because we made sure to use every sentence available.
What?
You missed it?
What the fuck is happening?
What is happening, Walter? Tell us. Are you trying to play Tetris and are you losing?
No, I'm actually working on a Thunder animation.
What?
Yes, I'm making rocks speak.
I wanna see this. Offshore, though.
Oh, that's scary rock speaking.
Oh, great commentary on something we don't see.
That's amazing.
Fuck you. Oh, it's amazing. Hey chat, what's your favorite thing about Walter?
The fuck? You're talking about me?
I'm talking to you?
What's my favorite thing about
Yeah,
who's Chuck?
the Walter.
Who's Walt? Okay, you mean
Just say
can't
it.
list things I like about myself, man. That would be
I remember when I was a kid in elementary school and we had to write a little piece of notes with a couple of things we thought was good about ourselves. And I remember writing down that I was good at billiard.
Are you?
No!
Liar.
But I did play some billiard when I was younger, but just for fun. And I surely wasn't good.
You fucking liar.
And somehow I remember that. Because I never approached my billiard dream. Did you?
I played some, but I wasn't good.
But did you write a note saying you were?
No, I didn't.
Oh shit.
Didn't even think of me as a pro.
That's what I only think about myself.
I know.
Okay, good things about Water. Smooth.
Smooth. Okay.
Twice the nice.
Oh, when he shut ups. Okay.
When he luscious hair, glorious smile, cool stories. I don't think any of those applies. Sorry, Walter.
Okay.
True talk.
True talk.
Aren't you gonna fight me now?
I don't know. I have
We'll see.
no interest in that right now, but could be a thing I want to do in the future.
Uh-oh. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Uh-oh, spaghetti.
What is happening here? Don't understand what's happening. Hey, don't understand what's happening.
Hey.
I don't remember talking about spaghetti.
Hey guys, I think we did the last eye.
What? That's crazy, man.
Oh wait, it looks like shit.
Oh shit.
Drum. Better. Eyebrows bad. Need to be better.
Better is best.
We should not have asked this guy to play a little kid.
Well, I liked his performance. It was like he was meant to be the kid all along.
Oh wait, I think you're the kid actually.
Yeah.
I think you need to excuse yourself.
No, I was meant to excuse myself all along, but that is too.
So what's the problem?
It's too obvious now. I want to be on this.
All right.
I want to be the guy everyone goes to when they want something to happen, and they're all surprised that it happened. But if I go soft now, it won't be surprising.
Well,
You understand? You understand me?
Let me down!
You understand me?
Let me down!
No, you understand?
This kid middle-aged man is... I think he's hurting me.
Oh, you think? Well, maybe.
Well, I'm sorry.
Doesn't it hurt? Oh?
A little bit. Okay, guys. I think I'm done for tonight. We got the facial structure all planned out. And so let's see it with real crystal clear audio that needs to be re-recorded sometime soon, you lazy fuck!
Who's the lazy fuck here?
That's funny. My
Who's
crane
the
is
lazy
supposed to be
fucker?
here.
Me!
I guess I'm lucky. That's not my crane. That's not my crane.
Oh shit.
I thought I knew what was up.
Didn't mean it,
But
man.
that would be
You don't
too
have to
embarrassing.
Be like that.
I didn't mean it either, I'm sorry. You wanna make up and die?
Make up and die?
Okay, one question before we go. Walter, you
100 questions before
No.
we go.
It hasn't really worked the last couple of times.
Okay,
So let's just
great
go.
job, Axel. You are a master at the move of animation. Much swag.
What?
Bye bye.